video, I'm going to explain why I started learning programming at the age of 50. Sometimes, yeah, 10 years back, I started dabbling in currency trading. For the first few years, it was not successful. I used to trade manually, opening and closing trades, looking at the charts. Most of the time, I would keep on looking at the charts, and this is what would happen. I would look at the charts, but still miss good trading opportunities. Once I was unsuccessful, I started reading about the financial markets, and I tried to learn everything about currency trading and how I can become successful. I realized that I will need to learn programming if I want to become successful as a currency trader. This is the challenge. You have 28 currency pairs, and you have to look at around 10 charts on each pair. That means 280 charts. It's very difficult to look at these charts all the time. So what you need is some indicator that can monitor the charts on its own and give you an alert when it finds a good trading opportunity. I learned in the beginning MQL4 that is used to program indicators and robots for MetaTrader 4. Then I learned MQL5 that is used for trading coding indicators and robots for MT5. I made few indicators and few robots, but I realized that both these languages, MQL4 and MQL5, are very limited. They don't allow machine learning, deep learning, or artificial intelligence. Encoding indicators, nowadays, more than 80% of the trades are being made by the algorithmic trading bots in the financial markets. And if you want to succeed as a currency trader or as a stock trader, you have to compete with these algorithmic trading systems. These algorithmic trading systems are developed by hedge funds and big institutions who employ quants. Quants are basically persons employed by these hedge funds and big institutions who develop these algorithmic trading systems. Quants have mostly PhDs in mathematics or physics from Ivy League universities like Harvard, Princeton, Cornell. So it's difficult to compete with them. You should know that trading is a zero-sum game. Zero-sum game means that if you lose, somebody is winning, and if you win, somebody is losing. Just like in a World Cup football match, you have to win to progress to the next level, and only one team can win. Trading is just like that. If you win the trade, somebody else is losing. And only way you can win the trade is if you are better than the person on the opposite side of the trade. So I learned programming. I then came across Python and I learned it. Python is a powerful programming language that is being used for machine learning, deep learning, and artificial intelligence. Before learning Python, I had also learned R, which is a statistical language, and I developed a few machine learning algorithms for predicting price. Predicting price is also a very interesting challenge, and in the future videos I'll show how difficult this challenge is. And till today, very few people have been able to correctly predict price. Python is a powerful language, but you cannot learn Python in a few weeks. You need few months. Just like people learn how to play violin or guitar, you can learn Python as a hobby. Learning Python was my requirement because I thought that Python will give me the edge, which I was missing. So once I learned Python, I developed few indicators. Let me show one of the indicators that I had developed using Python. This is the dashboard that I have developed using Python. And you see this Python code, MetaTrader 5 in this module allows me to connect Python with MetaTrader 5. And then I look at all these charts. This script keeps on looking at these charts, and then it gives me the dashboard that I use to look at the currency market. Oh, in those days, I also came across another trading platform, NinjaTrader. NinjaTrader is a very powerful trading platform that is being used for futures trading and currency trading. NinjaTrader has been coded in C#. Came across it. The powerful thing about NinjaTrader is it allows you to use your custom time frame. For example, you can use a 1.5-hour chart, or you can use 10-hour chart, or you can use 15-hour chart. This is something very powerful, and it can help you predict the price in a much better way. NinjaTrader also allows you to look at tick charts and Renko charts and volume bars and range bars. So it's and even point and figure charts. So it was a powerful thing, but to develop indicators and trading strategies on NinjaTrader, you need C# programming skills. C# is a very powerful programming language that has been developed by Microsoft. Sometimes 10 years back, C# was only Windows specific, but few years back, Microsoft has made it open source and cross-platform. Now you can use C# on Windows, Mac OS, Android, iPhone, Linux, and you can use it on any platform. A very powerful language. C# allows you to develop mobile apps. Xamarin Forms allows you to develop mobile apps. That same app works on Android, iPhone. Unity is a very powerful game development engine that has allows you to code your games in C#. It also allows you to do virtual reality and augmented reality projects. You can also use C# to develop websites. So it's a very powerful language. It will give you a lot of skills. Python also allows you to develop your websites. Learning both these languages will help you a lot. Programming is all about problem solving. Artificial intelligence is the new electricity. Just like electricity 100 years back revolutionized human life, artificial intelligence will revolutionize human life in 21st century, and it is going to be used in almost all sectors of human life, in almost all types of industries. If you want to solve a problem with artificial intelligence, you will need a programming skills. So first you need programming skills, then you can use those skills and develop artificial intelligence programs that solve a particular problem. So if you are interested in artificial intelligence and stuff like that, then also you'll need programming skills. I am a technology enthusiast. Artificial intelligence is also my hobby. And as I said, I had to learn artificial intelligence because as a currency trader, I had to compete with these algorithmic trading bots that were operating in the market. They are operating in the market. They use artificial intelligence algorithms, and understanding them helps you compete with them. Cryptocurrencies are raised nowadays. Bitcoin is making new highs, and you see, uh, there are many people who predict that Bitcoin and the cryptocurrencies are going to revolutionize the world of finance. If you want to dabble in cryptocurrencies also, you need programming skills. Python, C Sharp, they allow you those skills to dabble in cryptocurrencies also. As I said, learning programming is not difficult. Anybody can learn programming. Of course, you will need some time. If you have never ever programmed in your life, don't worry, don't feel afraid. After a few months, you will start understanding and writing simple codes. Just learn a few lines about programming every day, and you'll see that after a few weeks, after a few months, you will start seeing that your skills, programming skills are improving. Don't forget to watch my next video in which I explain how I lost $30 million in Bitcoins. Yeah, I forgot to show you my Ninja Trader indicator. Let me show you that indicator now. Let me do it now. This is the Ninja script editor, and this is the dashboard that I use that monitors the currency pairs on 10 different time frames. As I said, it's very difficult to monitor each currency pair on these 10 different time frames individually, but this dashboard in you see gives me so much information. By looking at these charts, I can figure out which is the best currency pair to trade, and what is the best time to enter into a trade. I will explain my trading strategy in future videos also. Don't forget to watch my next video on how I lost 30 million in Bitcoin. Thank you.